All right, I think the coast is clear. Let's go. I'm gonna paddle shift this thing so we can hear the supercharger whine. Let's go in track mode so it's more fun. was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Now we're gonna have to follow regular traffic. I'm gonna go back to regular programming here. Just cruising. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that fun little road. I didn't push it that hard. I just wanted to hear the supercharger whine, but the Hellcat is very manageable, even in those turns. And you can be confident you can go a little harder, a little faster on the turns without upsetting the car. So what's exciting about driving a Hellcat is the way it makes you feel when you drive it. The shift of the ZF transmission is incredible. It's quick, and it does make you feel the vibrations and the way it shifts. It jerks you around, so it makes the sensation of driving a lot more fun. Obviously, you guys know when you're listening to this, the sound that it makes, the sound of the supercharger, the sound of the exhaust, that all plays a part in the excitement of driving this Hellcat. I mean, I wasn't having a good week. I was a little bit bummed, but just driving for about 20 minutes, I'm happy now. It's cheaper than a therapist, for sure. But we gotta get gas. I'd rather pay gas and drive this car and make me feel good again and smile. And that's all it takes. That's all it takes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna get boring here because of all this traffic. Click the thumbs up, share, subscribe, and for one of the subscribers who commented, you want more POV, here's your POV video. Hope you enjoyed this and share with others. I certainly enjoyed it myself. It made me feel so much better ending a week driving this car where I didn't feel too good before I even drove this car. So cheaper than therapy for sure. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye for now.